So I'm gonna do another video of clocks chiming at the same time. And I thought I'd do the Pearl grandfather clock chime with the Ridgeway grandfather clock. This wasn't requested by anybody, I just chose to do this. I think it'd be very interesting considering the two clocks are so different. For one, they're different brand. This one has Westminster chime, that one has triple chimes, that has a moon phase. This doesn't. This one is ran on chains, and that one is ran on cables. So I'm gonna move this a little closer here. When I hear that click, I'm gonna make this one go off, so. And it's gonna be interesting, I tell you what. Any second now. Oh, heard the click. So now we wait. Oh. Well, clearly this one went, or I should say that one went way faster than this one did, but let's set it back to the correct time. And, woo, that was interesting, I tell you what. Anyway, I think that's about right. It doesn't matter, it's fine. But, well, that's it for this video, and I'm about to exit. Lights out. I'll see you later, guys.